Number 1. Lead a discussion. It means to guide or facilitate a discussion.
The professor will lead a discussion on ethics. The professor will lead a discussion on ethics. She led a discussion that was very engaging. She led a discussion that was very engaging. Can you lead a discussion at the meeting? Can you lead a discussion at the meeting?
Number 2. Lead a life. It means to live in a certain way.
He leads a life of quiet solitude. He leads a life of quiet solitude. They lead a life full of adventure. They lead a life full of adventure. She leads a life dedicated to helping others. She leads a life dedicated to helping others.
Number 3. Leave home. It means to move out of your family home, often to live independently.
Many young adults leave home for college. Many young adults leave home for college. He left home at 18 to travel abroad. He left home at 18 to travel abroad. She plans to leave home next year. She plans to leave home next year.
Number 4. Leave someone alone. It means to stop bothering or disturbing someone.
Just leave her alone, she needs some space. Just leave her alone, she needs some space. He asked to be left alone to think. He asked to be left alone to think. Leave someone alone if they request privacy. Leave someone alone if they request privacy.
Number 5. Leave something at home. It means to forget to bring something with you from home.
She left her phone at home today. She left her phone at home today. I always leave something important at home. I always leave something important at home. Don't leave your homework at home again. Don't leave your homework at home again.
Number 6. Leave university. It means to withdraw or drop out from a university before completing a degree.
He had to leave university due to financial problems. He had to leave university due to financial problems. She's thinking about leaving university to start a business. She's thinking about leaving university to start a business. Many who leave university later return to finish. Many who leave university later return to finish.
Number 7. Leave an unpleasant taste in your mouth. It means to create a bad feeling or memory.
The argument left an unpleasant taste in her mouth. The argument left an unpleasant taste in her mouth. Bad service can leave an unpleasant taste in your mouth. Bad service can leave an unpleasant taste in your mouth. Their rudeness left an unpleasant taste in my mouth. Their rudeness left an unpleasant taste in my mouth.
Number 8. Lose contact. It means to stop communicating with someone over time.
They lost contact after high school. They lost contact after high school. Don't lose contact, let's keep in touch. Don't lose contact, let's keep in touch. I lost contact with my college friends. I lost contact with my college friends.
Number 9. Lose your footing. It means to slip or lose stability while standing or moving.
He lost his footing on the icy path. He lost his footing on the icy path. She lost her footing and fell down the stairs. She lost her footing and fell down the stairs. It's easy to lose your footing on wet rocks. It's easy to lose your footing on wet rocks.
Number 10. Lose a match. It means to be defeated in a sports game or competition.
They were disappointed to lose the match. They were disappointed to lose the match. It's okay to lose a match, just try again. It's okay to lose a match, just try again. The team lost a match but won the tournament. The team lost a match but won the tournament.
Number 11. Lose your patience. It means to become impatient with someone or something.
She quickly loses her patience with slow internet. She quickly loses her patience with slow internet. I lose my patience when people are late. I lose my patience when people are late. He lost his patience during the long meeting. He lost his patience during the long meeting.
Number 12. Lose your temper. It means to become angry and unable to control your emotions.
Try not to lose your temper at work. Try not to lose your temper at work. He lost his temper during the argument. He lost his temper during the argument. She rarely loses her temper, but today was different. She rarely loses her temper, but today was different.
Number 13. Make arrangements for. It means to plan or organize something in advance.
We need to make arrangements for the conference. We need to make arrangements for the conference. He made arrangements for his parents' anniversary. He made arrangements for his parents' anniversary. Please make arrangements for the business trip. Please make arrangements for the business trip.
Number 14. Make a case for. It means to present reasons why something should be done.
She made a strong case for changing the policy. She made a strong case for changing the policy. I'll make a case for starting the project early. I'll make a case for starting the project early. They made a case for more funding. They made a case for more funding.
Number 15. Make a changes. It means to alter or modify something.
Let's make a change to the schedule. Let's make a change to the schedule. She decided to make changes in her lifestyle. She decided to make changes in her lifestyle. Making changes to the plan might help. Making changes to the plan might help.
Number 16. Make it clear. It means to express something in an understandable and unmistakable manner.
He made it clear that he was unhappy. He made it clear that he was unhappy. The boss made it clear, no late submissions. The boss made it clear, no late submissions. She made it clear she will not compromise. She made it clear she will not compromise.
Number 17. Make a comments. It means to say something about a particular subject, often giving an opinion.
He made a comment about the presentation. He made a comment about the presentation. She likes to make comments during meetings. She likes to make comments during meetings. They made several comments on the document. They made several comments on the document.
Number 18, make demands on. It means to require a lot from someone or something.
This job makes too many demands on my time. This job makes too many demands on my time. The project is making big demands on their resources. The project is making big demands on their resources. He made too many demands on his team. He made too many demands on his team.
Number 19, make an excuse. It means to provide a reason, sometimes false, to justify or explain one's actions or behavior.
She made an excuse to leave early. She made an excuse to leave early. He always makes an excuse for being late. He always makes an excuse for being late. They made excuses for not completing the work. They made excuses for not completing the work.
Number 20, make eye contact. It means to look directly into another person's eyes.
Making eye contact during the interview is important. Making eye contact during the interview is important. She made eye contact to show she was sincere. She made eye contact to show she was sincere. He found it hard to make eye contact. He found it hard to make eye contact.
Number 21, make a film. It means to produce a movie.
They want to make a film next year. They want to make a film next year. She made a film about her travels. She made a film about her travels. The director made a film in Hollywood. The director made a film in Hollywood.
Number 22, make a fool out of someone. It means to make someone look foolish or embarrass them.
He tried to make a fool out of her. He tried to make a fool out of her. Don't let anyone make a fool out of you. Don't let anyone make a fool out of you. They made a fool out of him at work. They made a fool out of him at work.
Number 23, make friends. It means to form new friendships.
It's easy for her to make friends. It's easy for her to make friends. He made friends quickly at his new school. He made friends quickly at his new school. They went to the party to make friends. They went to the party to make friends.
Number 24, make a good impression. It means to produce a positive effect or image on others.
She always makes a good impression on clients. She always makes a good impression on clients. He made a good impression at the interview. He made a good impression at the interview. Try to make a good impression on your first day. Try to make a good impression on your first day.
Number 25, make good progress. It means to advance or improve steadily.
The team is making good progress on the project. The team is making good progress on the project. She made good progress in her English class. She made good progress in her English class. They have made good progress in the negotiations. They have made good progress in the negotiations.